Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing video for you, and this time it is a return of an old favourite of mine. It's Roccabox, and this is what it looks like. The last time I unboxed Roccabox on my channel was I think January or February 2018, so coming up to nearly 2 years ago now, so a long time. I subscribed right from the start. They released in March 2017 and I got the very first box, and I kept my subscription running for nearly a year, and then I decided to have a break. But a few of you have been asking over the last couple of months, have I ever tried this box? What's my thoughts? Am I going to get it? And all that. So I thought, you know what, I'll subscribe for a little while. So this is the first subscription, and this is December box. So I'm going to carry on subscribing for the next couple of months on my channel so that I can share it with you, but also to see what it's like, to see if it's a box I fancy keeping for longer. So if you're new to Roccabox, I'll give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in December's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Roccabox is a UK subscription box. It ships only within the UK. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 postage and packaging. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription, which you can cancel anytime, but they also offer 3, 6 and 12-month subscriptions as well. Now inside the box you will get between 5 to 7 beauty items, and they'll range from makeup, skincare, hair, nails and perfume, so we get a really good mix. If you're curious and seeing past boxes, then they do have them on their website. Some of them are sold out, but you are able to see the pictures, just to give you an idea of the type of things that you might receive. They also come out with limited edition boxes now and again, and currently they have mystery boxes for £10, and I believe in there is 7 beauty items. So all links related to the subscription, as always, I'll pop down below in my description, and if I can find any discount codes as well. I didn't use a discount code to take out my subscription, but I'll have a look around, and if I can find anything, I'll pop that down there as well. So underneath this video, see show more, click that, that'll bring up the description and it'll all be down there. So that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below. But let's get on to open it up and see what I've got inside. I've had a sneak peek. Normally I do. It depends on my mood. Depends on my mood. I had this box yesterday, so I had a sneak peek. But as I normally do, I don't delve right in there. It's literally, ooh, then I shut it, because I like to have a proper look and a sniff and stuff with you. But yeah, these boxes are gorgeous. Really gorgeous design, really lovely, and it's got on the side here, put yourself at the top of your to-do list. So inside you've got a little leaflet, and does it tell you? Yes, it tells you all the prices, and it tells you all the information about the products inside this box, so I'll be referring to that as we go along, and it tells you a little bit about the December box curation at the top there, and this is what it looks like. So move these worms. Woo! Give you a sneak peek first. There's a little note from Tia, who is the founder and CEO of Roccabox, and it says, this month's box is a suitable hedonistic mix of must-have prep and perfect products that will get your hair groomed, your skin glowing, your lashes fluttering and your pouty glossy. Ready for all the playing, partying and flirting you undoubtedly have planned. We're also thrown in a little something extra that we guarantee you're going to thank us for once the hangovers start to kick in. Consider it our Christmas gift to you. Planning a quiet one this year? No problem. All this month's products make for some delicious pamper nights in. Oh, and there's just a touch of sparkle in there. It wouldn't be Christmas otherwise, would it? So the first item in the box is a Philip Kingsley, and it's a body building shampoo. This is for fine, limp and flyaway hair, and we got 60 mils here. So it looks like that. I've tried a few Philip Kingsley. We see a few tongue twister. We see a few Philip Kingsley products in subscription boxes, but the elasticizer I don't like on my hair. I must be the only one, because I know you lot absolutely love it, but it doesn't do anything on my hair. But have I tried this one? I'm not too sure. Body building shampoo. I've definitely got fine, limp and flyaway hair. I've got a halo extension on, so it obviously looks a little thicker than normal, but my natural hair at the top is very fine and flyaway. So 60 mils is worth £7.80, and it says, even the finest and limpest of locks are given a serious injection of oomph and body by this volumizing shampoo. So you can forget weighing your routine down with volumizing mousses and powders, and just rely on this for a mega dose of body bounce and shine. So there's that item there. Next we've got a product by Dr. Botanicals, and this is the Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask, and this is a full size at 30 mils. At first when I picked it up I thought it was the oil, the rose facial oil, but no, it's a sleeping mask. There's that. I've tried a lot of Dr. Botanical products recently and in the past as well. And I have tried this before, but in all honesty, I can't remember. I can't remember what it's like. Oh, that's bad, isn't it? That's really, really bad. I can't remember what it's like on my face. It says, our products are fresh. Please use within 3 months after opening. So yeah, cruelty-free, vegan, and 98% natural. So let's see if the information rings any bells. The cost of the sleeping mask is £12. This overnight serum is my current go-to for overnight skin transformation. I use it 2 to 3 times a week, and even if I don't get my full 8 hours, I always wake up to a brighter, smoother, and more glowy skin. If there's any products you see me unboxing and you're interested in seeing what it's like, me trying it out, etc., please let me know, and I'll see if I can do like a little video, a little Insta story, so that you can see it that way. But no, I'm trying to like shift my channel a little bit in the new year and trying to reduce some gifted items but introduce more back to basics, reviewing individual products. I'm going to see how that goes. So that's our second item there. Next item is a makeup item, I'm assuming. Yeah, Steve Laurent, and it's a lip gloss. That's the outer packaging. And it says, oh, it's called Peaches. That's the colour. Oh, that sounds nice already. Sort of shades I go for. Corals and peaches. Oh, I can't get it out. Oh, that is gorgeous colour. That's lovely. Really, really nice. So it's a tinted lip gloss. Whoa! That is quite pigmented. I wasn't expecting it to be like that. I was expecting it to be more sheer. Oh, that is lovely. That is really, really nice. So in your box, you will have a choice of 2. Well, not a choice, you'll be given one of 2, I should say. You'll either get this one, which is peachy, or you'll get one, is it Cafe, which is more of a pinky tone. If you look there, you can see at the top there. These are obviously full size and they cost £18.87. I'm a picky lip gloss fan. It bugs me when it sticks, especially to my hair, or when it lacks the colour intensity of a lipstick. That's why I love this Luxe Gloss. The colour payoff is anything but subtle. In fact, it's opaque, high impact and unmissable. Plus its hybrid gel oil formula is deeply hydrating and not remotely tacky. It looks like a really, really lovely lip gloss. So excited to give that a go. So there's that. So next item is, I think this is another makeup. Yes, an eyeshadow. And this is by Luna by Luna. I love the packaging of this brand. I haven't had many items before from them. I think possibly only a face powder in a subscription box. But yeah, it's just nice. It's just really pretty, really pretty. So I've got it in shade Celeste. That is really pretty. It's a brown eyeshadow, but it's got shimmery flecks. It has got more like copper tones to it as well. I'll show you now. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. It's almost like a salmony pink colour, but with brown and copper in there as well. This is a full-size eyeshadow and it'll cost you £12.86. This heavily pigmented colour is buildable, making it ideal for keeping in your bag or office drawer to give you daytime look and instant update when post-work drinks are beckoning. The golden amber shade is universally flattering and guaranteed to give your peepers extra twinkle. So there's that. Next we got a bottle of something. This is by Bow Organics and it's a lash oil for healthy, hydrated, beautiful lashes. And it says you're made in the UK and it's vegan, and there's 10 mils here. That's what it looks like there. I don't know, how would you use that? I'm assuming, oh, it tells you here, apply a drop or 2 to index finger and gently massage onto clean lashes from root to tip. Best applied at night. Take care not to get into eyes. The full-size version of this will cost you £19.99, but it doesn't tell you what size. It says, those in the know keep pointing towards castor oil for beautifying your lashes. Well, it's no surprise that castor oil features heavily in this luxurious lash nourishing oil. Use nightly and you'll notice longer, thicker lashes by New Year's Eve. I've never tried this brand before, my lashes, but with the other ones they didn't work. The only reason I think why not is either because it's just not a good product, or the fact that I've got an underactive thyroid and that messes up my hair. It gives me thin lashes, it gives me thin hair. I'm not too sure if this will work. I'm not too sure if it's worth trying on my lashes because of my like health issues, but I'll give it a go. You all know how awful my lashes are, so yeah, if this works, you will know about it, definitely. So those are all the products, but there's one item left in the box, which is an added bonus, which is like what they said, their Christmas treat, and it's this. And I don't know what it is because I haven't seen inside. It says, good night, great day, Yeti and the Fox. It's a little box there. 1 sachet, 3 capsules per day, not to be used to combat excessive alcoholic consumption, drink alcohol in moderation and not to excess. It doesn't give you any information about it, but it says with its focus on wellness and restoring inner beauty, you're going to love this, and I'm pretty sure after a month of partying your body is going to love it too. I take a tablet before I go out if I know I'm going to be drinking alcohol, and then I take another one later on before I go to bed, and I'm assuming it helps with hangover. I think. I'll put the link to Yeti and the Fox down below in description, so if you're interested in learning a little bit more about it, then you're welcome to do so. 3 of those in there. So those are all the items. I'm just going to gather them all up and then I'm going to add them all up and I'll come back. So these are the items inside December's Roccabox. There's 5 beauty treats and there's 1 extra added bonus, which is the supplements there. So the box costs £13.95, which includes shipping, and the value comes to over £50. I don't know exactly because this Lash Oil is a mini version, so I know the full size version is 20. I'm going to say it's worth over £50. So looking at the contents I've received in my first Roccabox in nearly 2 years, I think it's a good box. I do think it's a good box. There's a lot of familiars in there, and what I mean by familiars is because I received a lot of subscription boxes, the brands seem to be doing their rounds. So we got Philip Kingsley, we got Dr. Botanicals, Steve Laurent, and Luna Baluna I've only once received that I can remember anyway, which is a powder. If you are not a subscription box addict like myself, then I do think if it's the first time you're taking out a subscription, I do think you've got a really, really good mix here. I do think that it's quite a well thought out box. I think the value was worth it, definitely. But every one of us is different. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of Roccabox in general? And even if you're like me and you've got a ton of subscription boxes, how do you feel about seeing like the same sort of brands in the boxes? Woo! Oh, I caught that with my legs, the eyeshadow, it just fell. It's stuck there for now until I finish this video. I'd love to know your thoughts, so please comment down below. So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be lovely if you subscribe to my channel, and look forward to seeing more Roccabox unboxings in the future. So take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.